What's up, guys? Oh, hey guys. It's our vlog. Welcome into this car vlog. We are at
Cars in the Arts.
Cars in the Arts. And we are, it's just setting up. It's only 6:30. I think it starts at like 7 or something like that.
As you can see, there's some cars already.
Then we got more coming in right now. We got a little leprechaun car coming in right now. It don't zoom in, so now I look dumb as fuck. Yeah, and then they got a little leprechaun car. He might drive by. It might be a little leprechaun in there.
I feel them.
We might see. Oh, I don't know where he's going. Oh, look at that. Little leprechaun car coming up on the driveway. Oh my god, is that illegal? Oh my god. The coffin car right there. There's a little coffin car. Look at
The bottom.
It's too low.
What the dog doing?
Hey! Think it has jollies in the front? Hey, get up and press the top control. Let me see. Tacos? What do you want? Or a car show and I'm being hella fat?
Like always.
Sounds too good.
I have yet to hear another one in town. So.
We are currently on our passport hunts.
Going to every booth, getting our shit stamped to get a free raffle. Is that a drunk driver?
The way your body is created, it's so sick.
Okay, what do we got?
So we stopped at some goodies. I can't read. Freezer dried candy. They look like this.
Ooh, what
They're
are
actually
those?
really interesting.
What are they?
They're, I don't know, cooked up ass marshmallows.
They're
Deep
Lucky
fried.
Charms.
Oh, I mean, Lucky Charms. They're deep fried or something.
Deep fried.
We're going
They're freeze dried.
freeze dried.
My hand is shaking because I'm cold.
Yeah, we're freezing. Trying to open the bag, and I'm struggling. All right. Taste test. Cheers. Oh my god, I just had an orgy in my asshole. It's delicious. I've never had an orgy in my asshole as a guy, and today is definitely the day. If you're ever having the munchies, this is the way to go. Promise you, you'll have orgies as well. Girl, boy, they all of the LGBTQ community. Don't laugh, bro. All of the LGBTQ community will enjoy this. It's really delicious. It's really delicious. I think it's extraordinary good. Yeah, hope you guys are.
We'll give it a 10 out of 10.
Hope you guys are loving the event. Alright guys, so the next one we have is caramel bites. They look like this. They're like Willy Wonka took a shit and sold it. So I can see what it tastes like. Look at that man running. He want one of these too. I'm telling you, they give you an orgy. Now, yeah.
I like you running back,
Oh my. Wanna try one? What you think?
It's not bad.
This one tastes like dick. This one was definitely not worth it. If you ever get caramel bites, you're not having no orgy. You're having anal because this shit is disgusting.
Okay, we're opening the next one.
The next one is Freezy dried candy. Looks like
These are York peppermint patties. This was my choice.
this is looks like someone grabbed snow from California and put little shit on them. Let's see what they taste like. If you have stink ass breath, this is definitely the thing to eat. And not everybody, because all y'all have stink ass breath. The only problem is that it's minty as hell. It's actually really good. I enjoy it honestly. I think it's really delicious. Personally. So on to the next one. Next we have
Nerd clusters. He fucking dropped his keys.
nerd clusters. My girlfriend obviously is a fucking nerd.
Look at all the cars behind us.
Oh my god, I just broke the lid.
Bruh.
Ooh, these are
Those are good. I like those.
You're alright. A little motorcycle in the background. Got the whole crew. Next we got we have bowling pins. What is this?
Skittles.
Oh yeah, Skittles. Yeah, we got Skittles. I am freezing.
I cannot believe you bounced that thing off my head. Oh, that's cool. He has a little palm tree.
Oh yeah, oh my god, that's so cool. Alright guys, now we have Skittles.
In no way.
Try.
Red.
Let's see what they look like. Like
I don't know
someone
how to
took
feel
a
about
shit.
this.
Oh, it even has an S, look.
Oh yeah, they're Skittles.
Whoa! So they even took a shit and deep fried it. Honestly, the reviews on these wouldn't recommend it. It wasn't that great. The only one that was actually pretty good was the oh, the Skittles are actually kind of good.
Yeah.
Actually, come back to the Skittles. The Skittles are actually pretty good. The aftertaste.
The only one that wasn't good was your caramel. The caramel
Chocolate.
M&Ms.
Yeah, M&Ms. But besides that, everything was good. We're freezing out here, but we came out to this event for y'all.
Broke my neck. We both broke our neck.
Yeah, that shit was nowhere near here. Thank you guys. We love you. What is that man writing?
Anthony. Okay, you have your choice. You've got this excellent tumbler from the Moisty Boys. You've got the Street Rebels backpack. You have this nice bookmark to add. You've got Liquid Death as well. What do you want to do? Backpack it is. Of course, Street Rivals has the best gear out there. Of course, everybody wants.
That was awesome. I had an orgy. That was lit, dude.